Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing RPA or the Robotic Process Automation. So RPA is basically a rapidly growing field that has gained a lot of attention in recent years. If you have heard of RPA before but are not quite sure what it is, or if you are completely new to this topic, then you are at the right place. So let's dive right into this. So RPA is the use of software robots to automate repetitive rule-based tasks that are typically performed by humans. Now these tasks can be anything from data entry to invoice processing to customer service inquiries and much more. Essentially, RPA allows organizations to automate their business processes, which can lead to significant time and cost savings. Now, how RPA works? RPA bots actually mimic human actions such as mouse clicks and keyboard strokes to perform tasks within a computer system. And they are designed to follow a set of rules that can be programmed to interact with multiple systems, including web applications, desktop application, and even the legacy system. RPA bots can even be trained to recognize patterns and make decisions, making them more intelligent and adaptable over time. Now there are n number of benefits of RPA. Let's discuss on that. So first and foremost, it can actually save you a lot of time and money by automating tedious and repetitive tasks. This allows employees to focus on more strategic and value-adding activities. RPA can also improve accuracy as the bots are less likely to make errors than if we compare with the humans. Additionally, RPA can help improve compliance, and it also reduces risks as the bots can be programmed to follow strict rules and regulations. Now the applications of RPA. So there are countless use cases of RPA across various industries. Let's take a few examples. In finance and accounting, RPA can be used in automating invoice processing, accounts payable and accounts receivable. In healthcare, RPA can be used to automate patient record keeping and insurance claim processing. And in the customer service, RPA can be used to automate responses to frequently asked questions. And there are a lot more applications of RPA alongside these mentioned. So that's basically a brief overview of what RPA is and how it actually works. As you can see, RPA has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up employees to focus on high-value activities. So if you are actually interested in learning more about RPA, be sure about checking our new upcoming videos on this topic. Thanks for watching, guys. Till then, subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any new videos of our channel.